Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set different notification sounds for the different apps on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro or the Mini or the Pro Max. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on Settings. In Settings you want to go down and tap on Notifications, then go down to the notification style and go down and select an app that you want to set a custom sound. So for example, calendar, I'm going to tap on calendar, then go down and tap on sounds, and at the moment it is set to circuit, so you can choose a different sound. So this is the default sounds for the calendar. Now you can choose a different, you can choose a ringtone or a LUT sound. So circle, okay, so that is for the calendar and notification sound. So if I want to change a different sound for messages, I can tap on that. Then I go down and I tap on sounds, and in here for messages it is note. Now I can choose bamboo, okay, and then you want to go to the next app. So for example, say notes. In Notes, you can see I cannot choose a sound for Notes. Not all apps will allow you to choose different sound. Some of them will force you to use the default sound. So for Messenger, I can go down. You can see I can turn on or turn off sounds, but I cannot set a different sound for Messenger. And let's say if I go down to Reminders, in Reminders, I can choose sounds, and it's got Cosmic. Okay, so again, you can hear, you can select a different sounds for the different apps, but not all apps will allow you to select a custom sounds. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.